Okay, here is an updated video of cutting vinyl upholstery with the Lowrider V2 from V1 Engineering, mostly printed CNC. And right now I have a custom drag knife mount made that replaces the DeWalt 611 router. And I've got that on my Thingiverse site. And then it's holding a little drag knife inside there, and it's spring loaded so that when it picks up after the cut and sets back down, it kind of holds the tension correctly. And this vinyl upholstery material has a cloth backing on it, and so that has the lowest friction for the cap to slide over. But I've just updated my firmware to the latest version, and arcs are moving a lot faster now. And currently I've got it running at 75 millimeters a second, though I'm not for sure what the limit is on this machine. When I keep scrolling the feed rate up here on the LCD, it doesn't seem to go much faster than this, but this is plenty fast and it's doing a great job. So pretty fun to be able to cut upholstery with the Lowrider. And I'm not using a vacuum table, but I took a piece of hardboard and then I sprayed some light adhesive on it. That's a craft adhesive that can be repositioned. It's made so that you can pick up stuff. So basically I've just created kind of a really large Cricut mat, like those craft cutters. Let the adhesive cure completely, and then when I put down the vinyl side of the upholstery, there's just enough tack to it that it'll hold it in place. Going to show you a piece here that it cuts. Just let it finish cutting here. There you go. There's one of the pieces for a little motorcycle backrest that I'm cutting, and the little tick marks there help the different patterns to line up when it gets sewn.